welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm just gonna go furniture shopping for my first Airbnb. We're at Bob's Furniture Store. So I'm going to get a king size bed, a full size bed, and I think a full size bed for that small bedroom. We're gonna see if we can do full or twin. And I'm just taking you along the ride. I'll put all the links to everything that I purchased in the description bar below. So let's go on in. So then let's do that full.
Okay.
And then I have to figure out for the room.
So that's why I recommend we either put it out or Hey guys, so I just left Costco. I was there the other day, but they only had the small TV that I'm putting in the bedroom, the master bedroom, but today they had the 55-inch LG that I will be putting in the master bedroom for $500. So I got that, and then I saw ACs, and I forgot that I needed ACs because this house does not have central air, and I'm not about to make that kind of investment right now. So I got 2 window AC units. One will be going in the living room, one will be going in the master bedroom, and then we're just gonna have to do some kind of portable something small because the way the money is leaving my account is making me like but I already know this is a good investment. I kind of don't even, I'm glad that I didn't actually get a tenant that I was comfortable with because I'm gonna be doing the short-term rentals. So I'm trying to get this set up 2 weeks. The couch is gonna get delivered on Sunday. 1 bed is gonna get delivered on Friday, and then the 2 beds Saturday. So I have all the furniture, and then I would just need mattresses. After that, I legit just need a real estate photographer. So I think we're gonna be in business by Wednesday. The only thing I have to order now are the mattresses. So stay tuned for that. You're gonna get a little montage. I know I look a hot mess, baby, but I'm working. So we don't care how we look. We getting this together, okay? Hey guys, so I ordered a mirror. I ordered some things from Wayfair. I ordered them I think just like Wednesday, and I forgot how fast Wayfair is. Could be with their delivery, and they arrived today at the Trenton house. So I didn't plan on going today. Today's Friday. I plan on going Saturday and Sunday to furnish everything. I have beds getting delivered tomorrow, and also I have the sofa being delivered on Sunday. And then in the meantime, me and some family, we're just gonna go ahead and set up everything else. And I still have a whole bunch of stuff that needs to get delivered from Amazon. And then these are the things that I managed to buy myself. It actually didn't fit in this car. I had to split it between my Mercedes truck and the minivan. So I'm literally just gonna try to put as much stuff in there, but I don't want to risk leaving the things that I left. Like if it was my neighborhood that I live in, it could stay days on my stoop, or I could just call my neighbor and he could put it in my backyard or something. But in this case, I called a contractor that I worked with in the past, and he usually, like, if I need him, he'll run over and do something, but he didn't answer the phone, and it's Friday night. So I just decided to get in the car. It's gonna take me an hour and a half to get there. I know I look a hot mess. Listen, this is the last thing on my mind. I feel naked without my jury though. So I'm on my way to Trenton. It's gonna take me an hour and 32 minutes. It's 7:35 p.m. One of my twin daughters have an ear infection. I was able to get the medication. It was a whole fiasco with that. She's medicated. She's with a family member. I hope something don't hit me in my damn head while I'm driving. This is ridiculous. Let me close this window. Yeah, so there's just a lot going on. I'm extremely stressed, and I plan on coming tomorrow morning. But yeah, I'm not gonna be able to sleep not knowing if someone then took my packages. And I didn't set up the security system. Obviously, you see it just fell. So the electrician's gonna set that up tomorrow. This is going back. So I bought this from Marshall's, and I really like it. It's nice and soft, but I thought about it, and I think we should go with duvet covers and quilt inserts. It's just going to be easier to clean, easier to wash and dry, and we're returning these two. Hey guys, so I just left Walmart. This is maybe trip number 3 or 4, and I have some family with me today, so I got some reinforcements and cart 1, cart 2, cart 3. So we're actually in Trenton now. We did a walk through the house, and we came out to get some things that I need. The beds are getting delivered today. Sofa's getting delivered tomorrow. So we're just tidying it up. I met up with the cleaning person today, and I really like her. She actually cleaned the house once before. So I'm gonna meet with her again once the house is fully furnished and we're ready to go. But let me tell you something, I'm tired of spending money at this point. I am tired of spending money, but hopefully we can get this done. I ordered everything Monday through Friday. I'm gonna try to do as much as we can Saturday and Sunday, and hopefully by next Friday we have it up. So stay tuned. Woo! We got it in. My brother did most of the work, but now we gotta get it back out and put it in the house. So stay tuned for that. All right, so this is what it is looking like so far. What I'm trying to do is place everything where they need to go, and then once we start mounting, like, we know where they're going. So this is going here, that's what we're doing. And we want to kind of clear out the living room because they're delivering the sofas tomorrow, so I don't want anything in their way. This mirror is going in the master bedroom, so there's not too many stuff down here because we took everything that's supposed to go in each room upstairs. So this is what it's looking like, guys. So I'm about to just do some dishes real quick, start arranging some stuff, and yeah, we're getting it together slowly but surely. Hey guys, so these are the color coordinates that I'm going with. So gold, gray, green, rich colors. You see the painting for one of the bedrooms or the living room. I haven't decided yet. I really like these pillows. And then I really like these gold pillows too. So you kind of get the idea of what I'm going for. This welcome sign, I actually already bought a welcome sign, but
I like this better. So I'm returning the other one, and I really like this for like the entrance. Here goes another painting for either one of the bedrooms or a hallway or a living room. Step stools, some kitchen towels. So I'm doing the finishing touches now. I got all the big like beds and couches already. Now we're just doing the finishing touches. I'm going up to the property tomorrow, so we get to start decorating and putting up decors on the wall. So I'm going home. This is what we have today. All right, guys, so we just left Homegoods. I had to return some pillows that didn't go with the decor, and I really like these pillows. This is gonna go in one of the bedrooms, so I got a nice little throw. For the sheets, I'm just doing white, everything white duvet, and then you know the color scheme, gold and stuff. So I think this is gonna go in the master bedroom. This throw, I really like those green pillows with the gold accents. These golds and gray is gonna go on the couch, and then another green throw for the third bedroom, and then this painting really goes well with this color scheme here. So the car is absolutely full. These are paintings I got and stuff, absolutely full. So I'm gonna try to pack this car up. I'm by myself today. Let's see here. Yep, we about to throw. And I bought these paintings. So what I'm doing is literally, if I see something I like you see I like this. This is going with the color scheme. I might be returning stuff back, but this mirror is for the above the little desk I bought. Maybe I should put the mirror on top. You see my little welcome sign when you walk in. Yeah, this car is super full. So, okay. So this is like a wall shelf that I bought for like the hallway. This is a little end table. I'm gonna put it in the living room because I have like an empty corner. I bought a bunch of these little fake plants, you know, for the house. Some greenery is always nice. A stepping stool for the cleaning lady. This for the kitchen. And I bought this for as soon as you walk in. To like hang up, you know, coats, sweaters, scarves, whatever, and a little mirror, and put whatever up there. I bought that little chair. It's a desk chair. So one of the bedrooms have a desk. So, you know, if you need to work remote, you have a place to do that. So I bought that desk chair, and it was 40 bucks. So now let's get this trunk full.